TechEmpire presents the top 5 best Dutch ovens in this year. These are handpicked based on the prices, customer reviews, and our personal opinion. If you want updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 1, Le Creuset Enameled Cast Iron Signature Round Dutch Oven. The essential kitchen classic. From a 15-minute pasta ragu to a slow-cooked, fragrant stew, from tender, juicy roasts to freshly baked bread and cakes that rise to perfection and bake evenly, the round casserole is ideal for a wide array of one-pot recipes. Especially designed to enhance your cooking, the cast iron casserole distributes and retains heat evenly, ensuring everything you cook will taste even better than you imagined. Now Le Creuset is proud to introduce the signature round casserole. This updated kitchen classic blends the best of the past with the latest performance and ergonomic improvements. New features include easy grip, 45% larger handles distribute weight more evenly, and make it easier to carry from hob to oven to table even when wearing bulky oven gloves. Easy clean, toughened enamel interior is now even more durable to resist staining, dulling and other wear and tear, and makes cleaning even faster and easier. Stylish, heat-resistant stainless steel knob withstands any oven temperature for total peace of mind, and is more ergonomic for a more comfortable, natural grip. Enhanced tight-fitting lid with built-in stabilizer seal and flavor with a more secure fit, and has enhanced rings and branding for added beauty. From iconic volcanic to bold Marseille blue, Le Creuset casserole dishes are available in a wide choice of colors and sizes to perfectly complement your home decor and lifestyle. Suitable for use on all hob types, including induction, and in the oven, the casserole makes a perfect serving dish too, as cast iron keeps food warmer for longer at the table. Individually cast in sand molds and handcrafted at the original French foundry since 1925, each piece of Le Creuset enameled cast iron cookware is perfectly finished and unique. Just like many of the recipes we treasure, Le Creuset casseroles are passed down through the family like heirlooms, prized for their exceptional quality and timeless style, and protected by a lifetime. Number 2. Cuisinart CI 75530 CR Chef's Classic Enameled Cast Iron. Cast iron improves its solid reputation with Cuisinart Chef's Classic Enameled Cast Iron Cookware. Home chefs can explore different cooking methods, from searing or grilling in the pans to slow braising or simmering in the casseroles. With incredible heat retention and even heat distribution, these versatile pieces yield great results whether it's on the stove or in the broiler or oven. They also can go from oven to table and double as elegant serving pieces. Features: cast iron construction provides superior heat retention and even heat distribution. Porcelain enamel exterior, strong durable finish and rich colors complement any kitchen decor. Perfect for cooking, serving and entertaining. 2 exterior colors available. Choose from cardinal red or Provençal blue. Porcelain enamel interior ideal for cooking. Surfaces do not impart flavors or absorb odors. Extreme versatility. Induction stovetop compatible, stovetop oven and broiler safe. Dishwasher safe, convenient maintenance and easy cleanup. Lifetime warranty. Number 3. Calphalon 2029654 Premier Hard-Anodized Nonstick 8.5 Quart Dutch Oven. From stews to stocks to braises, the Calphalon Premier Hard-Anodized Nonstick 8.5 Quart Dutch Oven with lid is designed to help you create delicious slow-cooked dishes. The nonstick interior delivers a longer-lasting, superior nonstick performance, 40% longer than Calphalon Classic, for effortless food release, so you can cook with confidence and serve even the most delicate food with ease. The durable 3-layer nonstick interior is tough enough to withstand metal utensils and everyday use, and the hard-anodized exterior is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Calphalon Premier Nonstick cookware is oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, so it can go from the stovetop to the oven for heating and cooking versatility. Unlock your culinary genius with Calphalon Premier and experience superior cookware that's built to last. Number 4. Calphalon 194852 Signature Hard-Anodized Nonstick Covered Dutch Oven. Calphalon Signature Hard-Anodized Nonstick cookware delivers a 1.5x more durable nonstick interior versus Calphalon Classic for effortless food release, so you can cook with confidence and serve even the most delicate food with ease. Designed and engineered in the United States, this cookware features a durable, PFOA-free, 3-layer nonstick interior that is tough enough to withstand metal utensils and holds up to everyday use. Calphalon's signature nonstick pots and pans are oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, so they can go from the stovetop to the oven for heating and cooking versatility, and are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Discover professional level precision and performance with Calphalon Signature, and experience superior cookware that's built to last. Number 5. Lodge Pre-Seasoned Dutch Oven. The Lodge 7-quart cast iron Dutch oven is ideal for slow cooking foods, and the cover features self-basting tips. Complete with loop handles for great control, this Dutch oven provides excellent heat distribution and retention for consistent, even cooking. It offers an abundance of possibilities. Used to sear, sauté, simmer, bake, broil, braise, roast, fry, or grill. It's safe to use in the oven, on the stove or grill, and over a campfire. The Lodge cast iron Dutch oven is made for decades of cooking and comes pre-seasoned for an easy release finish that improves with use. Includes one Lodge 7-quart cast iron Dutch oven. Made in America. Care instructions for cast iron: 1. Wash with warm water. Add a mild soap, if desired. 2. Dry thoroughly with a lint-free cloth or paper towel. 3. Oil the surface of the pan with a very light layer of cooking oil while warm. Hang or store the cookware in a dry place.